Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin. Now click on advanced options, then select troubleshoot, select advanced options and then select command prompt. It will open command prompt window. Type chkdsk /f/r c:, and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type c:, and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space c:/ and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space ** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Now type dir and hit enter. Type copy space ** space .. and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now type in cd space c:/ and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's execute this command. Type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space c:/ bcd backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type attrib space c:/ boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now type ren space c:/ \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved. and you're good to go.